snowboarding. He out here jogging.
You out here doing what?
He's out here jogging. Oh, where'd he go? We can't even get him in the video now.
Oh well, that's too bad for him. He'll be famous.
You ever been to this place, Patsy's Pizzeria?
No, I've never been there.
I heard it's supposed to be really good.
Oh really?
Yeah, I mean look, they got an A and everything.
They got an A?
You know it's clean at least. You're gonna find any rats in that pizza.
You ever been over here, Dan's Candy Bar?
Wait. Oh yeah.
That's what it's famous for. This is famous right here. This is the actual. What you call it?
Candy shop?
Nah. Flagship store. Bomb.
Flagship store, right. Look at this. Always working on something over here. Jesus.
Welcome to Manhattan.
The city's always being under construction. Always.
Been to Orlando? Everything over there's in the construction.
Killed. They cross while you crossing at the same time. They don't care. They don't care. Look at this girl right in the middle. She's like, let me pass. Come on, give me a chance. Come on, it should be like, good morning, miss. How you doing? Have a lovely day.
She's not ready for all this. I'm saving myself for the one.
The one. What is this, the Matrix? You looking for Neo? So Juan, so what are we doing today?
Dude, you look you're freaking lost.
Oh, nah, I'm not lost. Hold on. Let me get rid of that.
Exactly.
Juan, where are we going, bro?
We going snowboarding, bro.
We going snowboarding?
Well, we too far out. We're supposed to be there at 9. It is now.
I getting there at 9. It's your fault, bro.
It's your fault.
You got there at 8 o'clock.
I got where at 8 o'clock? It's just now 8 o'clock. What are you talking about?
You know, every time, let me get the camera real quick. Every time I see one of those things blowing out the air,
the steam.
It looks like the steam. I couldn't think for a second there. Yeah, every time it's blowing out the steam, it looks like a vape to me.
Don't you got one right here?
Yeah, I got one right here. You know, it's ready. It's good to go. Just need some juice. You know. Look at this traffic over here. It's crazy. It's insane.
10 minutes already.
Yo, this is crazy. Why are we always getting stuck in traffic?
It's mad.
Why? Like I don't.
Rush hour.
Rush hour.
To all the ladies in the place. To all the ladies in the place.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Finally made it. We're about to snowboard. Pretty hot out here today. You get that just wear a hoodie and you're good. Look at all the people. Yeah, some of them come from other states. They come from Manhattan.
They just stay at
Different parts. You know? Snow's pretty squishy. It's gonna be cold and hot at the same time. It's gonna be over that mountain, which we're not gonna be able to do today. Due to this guy.
We are gonna do it.
Alright, I guess he got the balls to do it. I'm gonna have to teach him a lot. Right, Juan? This might be the last time you see him. This is crazy. Oh man. You ready for this? I know, it's beautiful, right? I told you, man. I've been trying to get you out here for the longest time. Now he's here.
It's only us two.
Now it's a wrap. Yeah, now it's a wrap. Let's get our shit together. I was having a little trouble here. I wiped out earlier trying to record this guy. It's not that easy. It's better to just have it on your helmet or your chest. Learned that the hard way. Here he comes. Hopefully he doesn't run into me. Uh-oh, he's coming straight at me. Wait, maybe not. Oh, come on, this way, this way. There you almost had it, you almost had it. Should I put this one on? That'll be fine. Just rolling. You ready? You want to go first? You go first so I can capture you, because it's gonna be hard trying to get you and me. This guy taking a million years over here. Oh! Keep going. What the what? Let's go, Juan. Oh, my man. My man's over here. I think he's pro, and then he's gonna go all the way over there on the wrong side. I got you. Yo, he went all the way over there. That's how you know he amateur. Amateur. Let's go, amateur. Yo, look at that big cloud coming this way. About to get tackled by that. It's not cool. He's stupid. He's stupid. Oh, you ready? You ready? I'm ready. Let's go. My man's all the way down there. Let's do his 180 real quick. Yo.
You caught that?
Yeah, I think I did. Yeah. Oh my god, that was so funny.
I tell you, every time I look over here.
Yo, who told you? You see, this is why you can't be the cameraman, because you'll get fucked up. Come on, you go. Alright, so we back in the lift again.
We out here.
We made it. This guy over here, professional wipeout artist. See this side right here? This side right here, you don't go because there's barely any snow right there. See, once you get over here, you gotta just go left. Go left all the way, and then it'll be home sweet home. You get right over there.
You didn't say go left.
I yelled it at you. I guess you were just too much in the moment that you didn't realize what you were doing. You were making mistakes. It's one of those things where the video freezes and it says at that moment Juan knew he fucked up. Messing up and shit. Oh man, this is crazy. It's crazy. Look at all this raw footage. It's crazy. All right, so we're gonna definitely see you guys at top. Right?
Catch me outside.
Catch me outside in the snow. How about that? Man, it's beautiful out here. That didn't even hurt.